Are you guys ready to hatch some deals? I can't hear you! Yeah! That's right.
Good evening, Falcons. My name is Elsa Vogel, and I'm the founder of Pieces of Me.
My ask tonight is $18,000.
$40,000.
$50,000 for 25% of my ubiquity marketplace.
Falcons, I have a very special ask for you all tonight. I do not want you to invest in just me, but to invest in a cause that's much bigger than me. Please donate to help families and people with cystic fibrosis.
Pieces of Me is a brand new way for women to express themselves and share their unique personality with the world. It is a web-based program that allows individuals to select personality traits that they see in them to create custom designs reflecting their personality.
I select the song that I want to share with him, and the music sharing experience has begun. Money!
Everybody is looking at you, Teddy.
I know.
You may not play beer pong. Maybe you do. I don't know you guys personally. But you know what the great part about this? You have an 8-foot table. So you know what? You're done playing for the day. You're ready to eat some food. 8 foot long. Let's eat.
So, Falcons, who wants a piece of this action?
Who wants to sync up?
Will you be my machi?
I've got interest in what she's doing, Kirk, but I need to see a little bit more than what we see up here.
One of the problems is your next step is after you bridge your gap of 35,000, okay, then your investment becomes pretty large.
But all that said, I think there's something there.
Congratulations to you. Really a great name, great idea. If you would have played Cat Stevens for me, I would really be happy right now. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a deal.
Sounds like a deal.
5 for 5.
5 for 5, okay?
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Nice job.
I guess we got a deal.
Good job. Thank you.
Awesome job.
Thank you.
The 2015 Eggie winner, Elsa Vogel.